Why are there not more people talking about the incredible story of Earth's formation? Welcome to Planet Whispers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow our channel for more fascinating content. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where it all began? Our planet Earth has a remarkable story of creation, a story that stretches back billions of years. It's a tale of cosmic dust, fiery collisions, and the slow, steady hand of gravity. Imagine a time before planets, before stars, even before our sun. The solar system we know today was just a swirling cloud of gas and dust. This cloud, called a nebula, was the birthplace of everything we hold dear. Understanding Earth's formation is about more than just looking back in time. It helps us grasp our place in the vast universe and appreciate the delicate balance that makes life on this planet possible. In the beginning, the nebula was a chaotic dance of particles. Tiny bits of dust and gas, remnants of ancient stars, moved and collided within the cloud. These collisions, though seemingly insignificant, were the first steps in a process that would eventually lead to the formation of planets. Over time, these particles began to stick together. Imagine countless specks of dust, drawn together by static cling, forming larger and larger clumps. This process, called accretion, is fundamental to planet formation. As these clumps grew, so did their gravitational pull. The bigger they got, the more material they attracted, further fueling their growth in a celestial snowball effect. What began as dust grains slowly transformed into pebble-sized objects, then boulders, and eventually much larger bodies. Gravity, the invisible force that holds the universe together, played a crucial role in shaping our planet. As the early Earth grew larger, its gravitational pull became stronger, attracting more and more material from the surrounding nebula. This process wasn't always peaceful. Collisions were frequent and violent, with massive objects smashing into each other. These impacts released enormous amounts of energy, heating the young Earth to incredibly high temperatures. These collisions weren't just destructive, they were also constructive. They helped to shape Earth's final form and even contributed to the formation of our moon. Scientists believe that a Mars-sized object collided with Earth, ejecting a massive amount of debris that eventually coalesced into our lunar companion. Section 4. A planet is born. As Earth continued to cool, a remarkable transformation took place. The heavy elements like iron and nickel sank towards the center, forming the planet's core. Lighter elements like silicon and oxygen rose to the surface, creating the crust. This process, known as differentiation, led to the layered structure we see in Earth today. A solid inner core, a liquid outer core, a thick mantle, and a thin crust. Each layer has its unique composition and plays a vital role in making Earth the habitable planet we know and love. With a differentiated structure, a molten core generating a magnetic field, and volcanoes releasing gases into the atmosphere, Earth was no longer a molten ball of rock. It was evolving into a dynamic planet capable of supporting oceans, continents, and eventually life itself. Section 5. Our unique home. Our planet's journey from a cloud of dust to a vibrant, life-sustaining world is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of the universe. Earth's unique combination of factors, from its distance from the sun to its molten core, makes it a special place in the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe, we've yet to discover another planet quite like ours. Earth stands as a beacon of life, a testament to the delicate balance of cosmic conditions that allowed life to flourish. The story of Earth's formation is a reminder of our planet's remarkable journey and the preciousness of the life it sustains. As we look to the future, we carry the responsibility to understand and protect our unique home in the vastness of space. What wonders will Earth's story unfold in the billions of years to come? Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and follow Planet Whispers for more fascinating content about our universe.